Okay, so I'm back with another tutorial. This is going to be Jumbo Kamikaze twist, and first I just start off by detangling his hair as I've washed it.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Sure, you look kind of familiar.
Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name.
Oh yeah, definitely, I know his name.
But I just want to let you know that he's mine.
No, he's mine.
Okay, for this part, you just have to make sure that you have a straight part from front all the way to the back.
See, I tried to hesitate. I didn't want to say what they told me. You said without me, you couldn't make through the day that I changed. And maybe you misunderstood, 'cause I can't see how we could wanna taste something that's so good. All my love was all it took.
Okay, I'm going to slow this part down so that you guys can really get an up close of what I'm doing. I'm just twisting the hair. Basically, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to twist both halves into the same direction and just make sure that you apply enough gel.
days. I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same.
For this part, just make sure that you keep twisting the hair in the same direction all the way down so that it can stay neat.
Relationship change, that already never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time with love.
Okay, now I've moved to the other half of his head, and you just want to make sure that your parts are lined up with everything on the other half. As you can see in this video, the parts are lined up a certain way so that they could form a certain shape.
She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything too. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything Just like yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunana ni. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna, girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. But they too fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunana ni. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends? Girl, you wanna, girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Uh-huh. Sure, you look kind of familiar.
Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I know his name.